What if the most remarkable watches aren't the latest releases, but the ones created decades ago? The modern watch industry is packed with options. Smartwatches monitor your health, fitness, and daily activities with incredible precision. Professional tool watches are engineered for diving, aviation, racing, and demanding adventures. Luxury timepieces showcase flawless craftsmanship, premium materials, and world-famous branding. With so many advanced choices available, it would seem like the perfect watch has already been made. Yet despite all this innovation, many collectors and enthusiasts still find themselves drawn to something far older. That's because modern technology and manufacturing can't recreate one thing that comes naturally with age: authentic character. Vintage watches weren't designed to chase passing trends or compete for attention. They were built with purpose, individuality, and timeless style, and over the years they became icons that continue to inspire today's designs. Every scratch tells a story, every faded dial reflects decades of history, and every movement represents an era when watchmaking was driven by craftsmanship rather than marketing. These are watches with personalities that can't simply be reproduced in a modern factory. In today's video, we'll explore 5 extraordinary vintage watches that continue to captivate collectors and prove why some classics remain impossible to replace. Each one offers a unique blend of heritage, design, and mechanical excellence that many modern watches still struggle to match. Let's begin with a watch that has quietly earned its reputation by getting every detail just right. Number 5. The Seiko Alpinist is a watch that perfectly blends rugged outdoor capability with timeless elegance, making it one of the most respected adventure watches in Seiko's lineup. Originally designed for Japanese mountain climbers, the Alpinist has evolved into a versatile timepiece that feels just as comfortable on a hiking trail as it does in a business meeting. Its signature design features a beautifully detailed dial with bold Arabic numerals, luminous hands, and distinctive markers that ensure excellent readability in a variety of lighting conditions. One of its most recognizable elements is the internal rotating compass bezel, which can be adjusted using a secondary crown, offering practical navigation assistance for outdoor enthusiasts while adding a unique visual character. The watch is powered by Seiko's reliable automatic movement, eliminating the need for a battery by harnessing energy from the natural motion of the wearer's wrist, while also allowing manual winding and hacking seconds for more precise time setting. A durable stainless steel case provides excellent protection against daily wear, and the scratch-resistant sapphire crystal helps maintain a clear view of the dial even after years of use. With a water resistance rating suitable for swimming and outdoor adventures, the Alpinist is built to handle changing environments with confidence. Number 4. The Hamilton Khaki Field is a legendary field watch that combines military-inspired heritage with modern engineering, making it one of the most respected and versatile timepieces in its class. Inspired by Hamilton's long history of producing watches for soldiers, the Khaki Field maintains a clean, functional design that emphasizes reliability and legibility in any environment. Its dial is thoughtfully arranged with bold Arabic numerals, highly visible minute markers, and luminous hands that provide excellent readability during both daylight and low-light conditions. The watch is powered by a dependable automatic movement that delivers impressive accuracy and an extended power reserve, allowing it to continue running for days even after being taken off the wrist. Many models also feature a transparent caseback, giving wearers a fascinating view of the finely crafted mechanical movement in action. The stainless steel case is built to withstand everyday wear while maintaining a refined appearance that transitions effortlessly from outdoor adventures to office settings. A scratch-resistant sapphire crystal protects the dial from daily impacts and keeps the display crystal clear over time. Water resistance adds another layer of durability, making the watch suitable for everyday activities and unexpected weather conditions. Depending on the model, the Khaki Field is available with a rugged leather strap, durable NATO strap, or solid stainless steel bracelet, allowing owners to choose a style that best fits their lifestyle. Number 3. The Longines Flagship is a sophisticated timepiece that reflects the brand's long-standing tradition of elegance, precision, and exceptional Swiss craftsmanship. Designed for those who appreciate classic styling with modern reliability, the Flagship collection has remained a symbol of refined watchmaking for decades. Its beautifully balanced dial features a clean layout with polished hour markers, elegant hands, and a discreet date display that enhances functionality without disrupting the watch's timeless appearance. The carefully proportioned case, crafted from high-quality stainless steel and available in a variety of finishes, offers a sleek profile that sits comfortably on the wrist while maintaining a luxurious presence. Protecting the dial is a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with anti-reflective treatment, ensuring outstanding clarity and readability in different lighting conditions. At the heart of the Longines Flagship is a high-performance automatic movement known for its precision, smooth operation, and impressive power reserve, allowing the watch to maintain reliable performance even after being left unworn for an extended period. Many models feature a transparent caseback, providing a captivating view of the finely decorated mechanical movement and highlighting the brand's dedication to traditional watchmaking. Water resistance adds confidence for everyday wear, making the watch capable of handling daily activities while preserving its elegant character. Number 2. The Seiko 6139 Pogue is one of the most iconic vintage chronograph watches ever produced, celebrated for its groundbreaking technology, distinctive design, and remarkable place in horological history. Introduced in the late 1960s, it was among the world's first automatic chronograph watches, showcasing Seiko's innovative engineering at a time when mechanical watchmaking was undergoing rapid transformation. The watch is instantly recognizable thanks to its vibrant golden-yellow dial, contrasting blue and red accents, and bold tachymeter bezel, giving it a sporty appearance that still feels fresh decades later. Its nickname, Pogue, comes from astronaut Colonel William Pogue, who famously wore his personal Seiko 6139 during a space mission, earning the watch's legendary status among collectors and enthusiasts. At its heart is the reliable Seiko caliber 6139 automatic movement, an impressive mechanism that combines automatic winding with an integrated chronograph function, allowing users to measure elapsed time with precision while requiring no battery. The movement is admired for its durability, smooth operation, and historical significance as one of Seiko's pioneering automatic chronograph calibers. The stainless steel case provides a robust and comfortable fit, while the recessed crown and well-positioned pushers contribute to its clean, functional design. A day and date display adds everyday practicality, and the highly legible hands and markers, enhanced with luminous material, ensure excellent readability in various lighting conditions. Number 1. The Doxa Sub 300 is a legendary dive watch that has earned an outstanding reputation for its professional-grade performance, distinctive design, and rich heritage in underwater exploration. Originally introduced for serious divers, the Sub 300 quickly became known for combining exceptional functionality with a bold appearance that stands out from traditional dive watches. One of its most recognizable features is the vibrant dial, particularly the iconic orange version, which was specifically chosen to maximize visibility beneath the water's surface. Large luminous hands and bold hour markers ensure excellent legibility in dark or murky conditions, while the unique no-decompression bezel allows divers to monitor safe dive times with ease, making it a practical tool as well as a stylish timepiece. Powering the watch is a reliable Swiss automatic movement that delivers precise timekeeping, smooth operation, and an impressive power reserve, providing dependable performance whether worn daily or reserved for special occasions. The robust stainless steel case is engineered to withstand demanding environments while maintaining a comfortable fit on the wrist, and its compact cushion-shaped profile gives the watch a distinctive vintage-inspired character. A scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating offers excellent clarity and durability, protecting the dial from everyday wear while minimizing glare in bright conditions. The screw-down crown and substantial water resistance make the Sub 300 a true professional diving companion, capable of performing confidently in challenging underwater environments.